this session, we're going to be looking at creating a UCS right from the start. So the first thing we need to do is go up to UCS, and there's a whole bunch of options there, but the one we want to choose in this case is to create a UCS. So the process is you need to create a unique name. So I'm just going to call this, for the sake of this, I'll name it today, and I'll just call it David example, just for this example. But this name is a unique name. It should be able to identify to you this particular UCS. So whatever's relevant might be, for example, fully online, or whatever makes sense to you. Then the next thing you need to do is to assign a product type to it. So in this case, it's going to be take now. And the last thing is you need to find the qualification, and I want to use the sport fitness for this example. So I'm just copying that from training packages, and I'll paste in there. Now, if it exists, and I hit enter, so I've created the course, and I'll just check here that it actually does exist. If it doesn't exist in this list, I'll just go and import it, and in this case it doesn't exist, so I'll need to import the training package. So to do that, I'll go over to TGA qualifications and click on TGA and click on import, and I'll just put the code into there because it didn't exist in the database. So I go import. What'll happen now, an import will run. You'll notice over here it's got please wait, and it tells me that it's importing data. So now if I go back to my UCS, which is that one there that I've just created, so I've just gone back to the home page. There's the UCS. I'll go to it, and now you can see that it has the full name for the training package because it's been imported. On the last screen, I should have mentioned if any units had already existed in the HCC database, I would have had a report that would have told me what units were already in the database. In this case, there were no units in the database, so now all the units exist there. So this is so now I've got to this stage. You can see I've got a UCS, and there's what it's called, and there's the titles around it. And I'm up to the stage now as the program manager or the project manager of assigning this now to the workflow to some people. But I'll stop recording at this point because that described how to set up a UCS and also how to import a training package. The two functions again: to create a UCS, you go to UCS and click on New. To import a training package, you go to TGA and click on import and enter the data. If the training package was already part of the database, you will get a message telling you that in fact that it's already part of the database. If you look on the help desk portal, you'll find there's information about reports as well, what the information within the report means.